my little friends. Welcome back. Can you guess all the colors today? Let's start. Friends, can you tell me what color is this? That's right, it's red. Red like an apple. Now, what color is this? That's right, it's blue. Blue like the sky. Can you guess? Yes, it's yellow. Yellow like a banana. Which color? Yes, it's green. Green like a leaf. Now guess? Yes, it's orange. Orange like a orange. What color it is? Yes, it's yellow. Yellow like a sun. Can you guess? Yes, it's brown. Brown like a bear. Can you guess? Yes, it's purple. Purple like a grapes. What color? Yes, it's lime green. Green like a frog. Can you tell? Yes, it's pink. Pink like a flower. Guess the color. Yes, it's black. Black like a crow. What color? Yes, it's white. White like a cloud. Which color? Yes, it's light blue. Light blue like a little fish. What color? Yes, it's dark green. Green like a tree. Can you guess? Yes, it's gray. Gray like an elephant. How many colors can you see? Wow, a beautiful rainbow! Amazing, friends! Today we learned so many colors. Which color is your favorite? See you next time. Bye-bye.